Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be packing for a weekend trip. If that sounds interesting to you, please stay tuned. For this trip, I will be using the Air Travel Pack 4 backpack. This backpack was gifted to me by the brand, but as always, I will be giving you my honest opinion. We are headed to Viva Las Vegas to surprise my older sister for her 50th birthday.
Damn!
We will be there for 3 days. This backpack is a versatile carry-on backpack. I have it in the X-Pack version. X-Pack is super durable, lightweight, water resistant, so needless to say, it's built to handle a lot. I think this version is great for outdoor activities like hiking, camping, going to the beach or the lake. I'll put the dimensions of this backpack on the screen. It is 28 liters and it weighs 3.53 pounds when empty. So this is what the front looks like. Let me give you a closer look at the material. This backpack has YKK zippers. And this is the front pocket, and the interior is a beautiful orange color. Also in this pocket there is a removable key leash, and you can remove it and you can put it into the admin pocket right here, just like that. So this is what the admin pocket looks like. It has two slip pockets here, a zip pocket, another slip pocket, and then a place where you can put your pens. Closing that. On top, it has a quick access pocket. It's really spacious in here. You can put your sunglasses or your wallets. Also in this section, there is a grab handle. Moving on to the side, there's another grab handle here and a water bottle pocket. On the other side, same thing, a grab handle, water bottle pocket, and both sides have a D-ring where you can attach your water bottle. Moving on to the back, there's comfy padded straps. There's a D-ring on this one, a magnetic chest strap, and load lifters. There's also a luggage pass-through. Let me show you right here. And I love how padded the sides are on this backpack. It makes it really comfortable to carry for a long time. Let me show you the grab handle on the bottom. That's what it looks like. Moving on to the inside of the backpack, it has lockable zippers for added security. And that's what it looks like. I love this beautiful neon orange. There's a slip pocket on the back, and on this side there are two zip pockets. The top pocket is nice and spacious, and this is where you can find the hidden smart tracker pocket, so you can put your air tag in there. Bottom pocket is a lot more spacious, and I just love the clamshell opening of this backpack. And that's what it looks like on the side. And then let me show you, I like using these little pull tabs here to zip it up, just like that. Let me show you the laptop compartment. Also has lockable zippers, and that's what it looks like inside. Nicely padded on this side. There's a middle compartment and then a slip pocket on that side. So plenty of space. This fits a 16-inch laptop. Now let me show you what I'll be packing for this trip. So this is what I'll be wearing on the plane: a tank top, cardigan, and my jeans. And then in the packing cube, I have, this packing cube is from Bag Smart, and I love the set that it came in. I think it was 3 or 4 packing cubes and a shoe bag. I'll link it for you guys, but this is what I will be wearing. So I have a silk skirt and a tank top, and I will be wearing this on day 1 in the evening. And then day 2, I have this really cute dress, so comfy. I wore this on my birthday cruise. It's beautiful. It has this like little opening here. It has a slit on the bottom. And then the best part is it has pockets. I would definitely size down if you purchase this. I got it from Amazon. So that'll be for day 2. I'll wear it all day long. And then on the way home, I will just put this tank top on with the cardigan and my jeans. And then my pajamas. I got this set from Costco, and then I have a little cardigan just in case I get cold at night. And that is everything I'll be bringing. I will be putting my undergarments in this bag as well, and I'll do that off camera. But let me go ahead and close this up. You can compress them if you don't overstuff it. Let me show you. And again, I will put my undergarments off camera. But I just wanted to show you how easy it is to compress. So there you go. That is everything I'll be wearing for this trip. Also for this trip, I will be wearing 1 pair of shoes. Next, I have my toiletries. All of my liquids are in here. I do have TSA Pre, but I like to separate it just in case. I have this face wash from Naturium. Biosense cleansing oil. This is really good. So I double cleanse at night. I will put this on my face, rub it around, and then I will cleanse my face with this cleanser here. And then I have some lotion. This is Cetaphil. My Noshinku hand sanitizer. This smells like lavender. Deodorant. I have my pharmacy face cream. Of course, I have my contact solution, and then in this little contacts case, I have my It CC cream and my Naturium sunblock. So that is everything for liquids. And then I have my handy dandy toiletry bag. This is by Travelon. I got it from Amazon. And you can hang it up. I've used this plenty of times. It's held up pretty well. The only thing I would say is it is starting to fray on the side here, but it doesn't bother me. I have all of my makeup in here. I have some Q-tips, my tongue scraper. I have floss. I also have some, let me show you, toothpaste tabs. And this is what it looks like. You just chew it up and then you brush your teeth. I did order more, so that will be coming in. And then in this pocket, I have a brush comb combo and my hair ties. That's what it looks like. And it works really well for my hair. I do have long hair. And then I have these clips that I use when I wash my face. So that's everything in the middle section. And in this section, I have my face towels, toothbrush. I need to put my spouse's toothbrush in here, and then a Tatcha serum stick. And that is all I need. Next, I have my electronics. I have my iPad mini. I love this cover. I have all of my downloaded movies on here so I can watch it on the plane. And then I have this little pouch, and I have my Shokz headphones, my charger, and then a portable charger. And this lasts a long time, and it has its own charging cable, and it also has a little kickstand. I could easily charge my iPad and my phone with this multiple times, so I highly recommend. So that is all for electronics. Okay, and here's everything else. I have a pen just in case, a mask, Purell wipes. I like to wipe the seat and the tray table. I have a deck of cards. I love playing cards. I have my Hobonichi Weeks. I have a video going over how I use this, so check that out. I know it's different from all of my other videos, but it was fun to film, and hopefully you go and give it a watch. And then I have my sunglasses. These are from Amazon. I love how chic these are, and they're very lightweight. I have my simple airplane comfort kit. Let me know if you want a video on this. I have my snacks in this Ziploc bag. In here I have gum. I have this Delight Pho tea bag, and it really does taste like pho broth. I have some monk fruit sweetener, hydration packets. I have another one here, Ultima. And then I have 2 snack bars. These are the monk packs. And then I have a reusable tote bag. I got this from the Met in New York. And then this is the bag I'll be using for the trip. So in here I have my wallet, I have some tissues, my EDC, keys, and then I have a lipstick and chapstick. I still have room for my phone, but I always have that in hand. So that is everything I'll be bringing. I won't be bringing disposable bed sheets because I'll be staying at my sister's house, and I also won't be bringing my travel slippers because I will just use hers. Now let's go ahead and pack. Okay, in the front pocket, let me put my liquids. And then airplane comfort kit. And then in the admin pocket, put my iPad mini in this slip pocket. Fits easily. In the zip pocket, I'll put my Hobonichi Weeks. Put my pen here, just like that. Electronics can just go right in there. I actually don't need the pouch. I could just put my electronics in here, but I'll just keep it as is. So that's everything for the admin pocket. Let me put my snacks in this front pocket as well. And then on the side, let's put the wipes and my mask. Okay, now moving on to the main compartment. I'll put my clothes right in here towards the bottom, and then toiletry kit, reusable tote bag, and my cards. I could put some stuff in the zip pocket, but I'll just leave it as is. And then for my bag, I will have space to put it in here just in case I need to do that. So that's what it looks like. Still have plenty of space to put if you need shoes or any other toiletries. And then before I close it, I will put my air tag right in here, just like that. Okay. There's so much room in this backpack. I normally use, if I'm traveling with my air backpack, I have the City Pack Pro. Let me know if you want a comparison between this one and the City Pack Pro backpack. But there you go. I didn't even put anything on the top pocket. I have plenty of space. If you wanted to put a water bottle, you can put that in here. I like to travel with this tiny one. This is a Hydro Flask. It also fits a 32-ounce water bottle as well. So there you go. That's all packed. Let me go ahead and weigh it for you guys. That way you can see how much it weighs with all of my stuff. It is 13.8 pounds. All right, now let's go over some of the pros and cons of this bag. One con is the weight of this bag when empty. It's 3.53 pounds. If you're petite like I am, it can seem like this backpack is overtaking you. And last con for this backpack is the size. It is a carry-on size and it fits most airlines. However, if you are a budget traveler, this backpack may be too big. But always check the airline personal item criteria and see if this fits for you. Now for some of the pros, I think this backpack is great, especially if you like one bag travel. This can fit a ton of stuff, as you can see, and air backpacks are so comfortable. They have great organization and they're extremely durable. I honestly think I like this X-Pack material more than I do the Cordura. but I will give you an update on that. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Let me know if you have this backpack and how it's holding up. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!